Here's the Thunderbolt Solar 59171 piece solar panel connection kit. Harbor Freight website, same stuff, 2021. All the same symbols as previous video. Safety precautions. Read all safety instructions, illustrations, specifications provided with this kit. Failure to do so may result in serious injury. Shield eyes and face from batteries at all times. Wear anti-approved safety goggles, heavy-duty work gloves during use. Batteries produce explosive gases. Use only as intended. Do not allow red and black cable clamps to touch each other at the same metal object during use. Do not use if bare wires are exposed or connections appear damaged. Using low voltage systems only. Do not make connections exceeding 100 volts or 10 amps. Inspect before every use. Do not use parts damaged. The warning, precaution, instructions discussed in the manual cannot cover all possible conditions. Must be understood by the operator that common sense and caution are factors which cannot be built into this product. Must be supplied by the operator. Operation. The numbers below correspond to the parts list diagram and diagrams on pages 6 and 7. This kit supplies all the cables necessary to connect SAE solar panels to charge controllers, batteries, power stations, and other devices. SAE to SAE dual extension connector, used to extend the length of any SAE cable. This can be used if the lead wire on a solar panel is not long enough to connect to other system components. The red wire is positive and the black wire is negative. Note, extending lead wire may reduce voltage coming from the solar panel. 2. SAE polarity adapter reverses the polarity of SAE connector on certain devices. For example, the polarity may need to be reversed depending on if the connection is coming from or going to a battery. Female 12-volt plug. There's always a female. Connect solar panels or charge controllers to devices that normally collect 12-volt plugs or in vehicles. The red wire is positive, black is negative. Male 12-volt plug, there's always a male. Connect solar panels or charge controllers devices to connect different solar components to a vehicle battery through the 12-volt port. The red wire is positive, black is negative. Note, do not charge a car battery with a solar panel without a charge controller. The solar panel should not be connected directly to a battery. LED charge indicator. The red wire is positive, black is negative. Indicates if power is being provided from a solar panel or controller. Verifies if the polarity of a cable is correct. If the LED does not light, use the SAE polarity adapter to correct the issue. Note, only used with 12-volt solar panel systems. Do not apply more than 24 volts DC. SAE to 8mm adapter converts an SAE connector to a 7909 8mm barrel connector used to connect solar panels to various power stations with an 8mm input port. SAE to battery clamps connects various SAE components directly to terminals of various batteries. The red clamp should connect to the positive battery post, black clamp to the negative battery post. Wiring. Only a licensed electrician and a licensed building contractor can safely design and implement a grid tie-in system. A grid tie-in system must meet all building and electrical codes and must meet standards established in the area by the area power company. Run wires from panels through waterproof grommets and into enclosure where charge controller is located. Use wires of the proper size and rating and twist connectors not included. Use twist connectors not included to connect wires. Secure all connections using terminals or solder all wire splices to ensure good connection. Weatherproof all connections and route the wire in a way that it will not be torn loose from the panel. Servicing. Procedures not specifically explained as measure must be performed by a qualified technician. Dry outdoor wiring thoroughly while wearing electrically insulated gloves. Disconnect solar panel after use. Disconnect all batteries after use. To prevent serious injury from electrical shocks or cuts, do not operate damaged adapters if wiring insulated damage, whether a soldered panel glass is cracked or housing is open. Have the problem corrected for cleaning. Clean and inspect all adapters and the solar power system used with these adapters monthly or more frequently, maybe peak frequency. Wear electrically insulated gloves, ANSI-approved safety goggles. Inspect the general condition of the solar panel system, including panels, batteries, controllers, mounting connections. Check for loose hardware, wiring installation, damages or weathering, cracked glass, open housing, cracked or broken parts, loose or corroded contacts, or any other condition that may affect its safe operation. Inspect and maintain batteries according to the supplier's instructions. Read the following carefully. The manual of this parts assembly diagram reference tool only. Neither the manufacturer or distributor makes any representation of the warranty qualified parts, manufacturer. I'm skimming through it. Buyer assumes responsibility. Record the product serial number here. Looks like standard language. Here's the parts list diagram. Part number 1, SAE to SAE 16 AWG copper wire dual extension connector. 2, SAE polarity adapter. 3, female 16 gauge copper wire 12 volt plug. 4, male 16 gauge copper wire 12 volt plug. 5, SAE to LED 16 gauge copper wire charge indicator. 6, SAE to 8 millimeter 16 gauge copper wire adapters. 7, SAE to battery 16 gauge copper wire clamps. Technical questions called out. There's number 1, which looks like, okay, it looks like a CD player plug, but it's not. 2, I can't tell, it's 2 diagram. 3 looks same, that's female, there's the male. Oh, the male goes into the car lighter if one has one. Female must go into something. And there's the other wire, whatever I just said, and these are just diagram because there's the clamps, which are number 7. Those look like regular standard battery clamps. And there's a 90-day warranty. That's Thunderbolt solar.